There's a good one. Hello everyone, thank you all for tuning into the channel today. It is Saturday, April the 17th in eastern Kentucky, and it is cold out this morning. We have the redbuds blooming and the dogwoods blooming both, so I don't know if it's redbud winter or dogwood winter. If you guys know, drop me a comment and let me know, but either way, I don't like either one of those winters. It is too cold for me, but we're on our way over to the Tug to do some kayak fishing this morning. We're hoping the pre-spawn bite is still on, so stay tuned, find out, see what happens. Larry and I was hoping they were chasing today, so I started out throwing a white spinnerbait with a Kayak trailer in Tennessee shad, and Larry started with just a Kayak in pearl. First smallmouth of the day. There we go.
White spots on it.
There's one. Yep. I saw him take that one.
Yeah, the ones I've seen, I saw them.
He, when I stopped it, he got it.
What's that on?
Kind of what you're throwing. It's a little different color, but.
What's it under that tree?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a good hit. Golly. It ate it. That little fluke, paddle tail fluke. No, just a little 4-inch paddle tail fluke, pearl. It's fat. It's right there real shallow.
As I mentioned in the introduction, it was very cold out today, and it had actually been cold for the last 3 or 4 nights. The water temperature in the river had probably dropped 5 or 6 degrees in the last week or so. So even though we managed some fish, power fishing, we thought we'd try our luck with some finesse techniques.
spot.
Now this next fish is the fish of the day, and it's fish like this that'll bring you back time and time again. But I'm actually fishing the tiny child rig here, and I want you to pay attention to what happens. The conventional technique for fishing a tiny child rig is just slow and drag it. But this happens to me a lot. I was actually moving the bait here. I'd given up on the cast, was reeling it in, and the smallmouth took a swipe at it and missed it. So I slowed down and let it set for a second, and it came back and got it. A good one.
You figured them out, Brad.
Tiny child rig. Where?
Yeah. What is that? About 7
I don't know. Yeah. He's almost not. He's just shy of 19. Yeah. I'll have to get a good picture of him with my phone. Tail of a Cinco? A Cinco? There's another one. Larry. The tiny child rig is killing it right now. And it's beat to death. It's ripped. You see the nail's about to come out. But it is catching them. There it is. Hey guys, I appreciate you all watching the videos. If you enjoy them, hit that like and subscribe button. That really helps us out with YouTube, helps us deliver better content. And if you're interested, Larry and I practice catch and release. We take a picture of them and let them go.